Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu states, when the prescribed waiting period of Hazrat Zainab came to an end, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Hazrat Zaid radiyallahu anhu, mention me to Hazrat Zainab radiyallahu anha. When Hazrat Zaid radiyallahu anhu reached Hazrat Zainab radiyallahu anha, she was adding yeast to the dough. Hazrat Zaid radiyallahu anhu says, when I caught her glimpse, her glory overwhelmed my heart to such an extent as I could not get a long look at her, because Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had talked about her. I spinned on my heels and turning my back said, O Zainab, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has proposed you. Hazrat Zainab radiyallahu anha said, I do nothing without consulting my Lord. So she stood on her prayer mat. The Quran was revealed and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam entered her house without permission. The reporter says he saw that late in the morning. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam satiated us with bread and meat. All the people made an exit save a few men who stayed back engaged in conversation. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went out from the house and I as well went out along with him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam made towards his wives' apartments and saluted them. The wives submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what is your feeling about your family, Hazrat Zainab? The reporter says, I do not remember whether I notified him or he sallallahu alaihi wasallam informed me that they had gone. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then went back home and I as well went along with him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam hung a curtain between me and him, and thus the command regarding veil was revealed, and the people were instructed what they had to be instructed. Ibn Rafi in his report has mentioned this verse. Translation: enter not the houses of the Prophet unless you get permission. For instance, you are invited to a meal, but not in this manner that you yourself wait for its preparation. Yet, when you are invited, then enter, and when you have taken your meal, then disperse. Not this, that you may sit down and amuse yourselves in talks. Undoubtedly, this was causing inconvenience to the Prophet, and he had regard for you. But Allah does not desist from saying the truth. The Confederates, verse 53. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3488.